Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about variables and comments. You must have heard about variables till now. Variables are basically just containers to store some value depending on the data type of variable. In computer science, variable is the name given to a memory location. Its value can change during the execution of the program. Comments are used to explain a code and to make it more readable. They don't take part in the execution of the program. Let's move towards VS Code and write a program to understand these concepts better. I'm creating a new file with the name c3.cpp and writing down the basic structure. In order to use a variable, it is important to declare it first. If we use a variable without declaring it, we can see that we receive an error. This is the syntax to declare a variable. First we write the data type, then name of our variable, and then assign the value to the variable. Be sure to add semicolon after each instruction. As you can see that I've added 2 slashes at the start. These slashes means that everything else on this line will be considered a comment and will have no part in the program. So an example of declaring a variable. Int, which is the data type and is short for integer. Num, and then equals to sign, and then the value. And ending the statement with a semicolon. Another way of declaration is that you can assign the value later in the program. Like in this case. You can also declare and initialize multiple variables on the same line by separating them with a comma. Now you can display these values using the cout statement. If we run this program, we can see all the values stored in these variables. Now I will tell you about the names you can use for your variables. I will write a few options and tell you which ones are correct and which aren't. Using only alphabets is correct. Alphabets and numbers at the end is also correct. Alphabet _ number is also correct. Using number at the start is incorrect. Using only numbers is also incorrect. And using arithmetic operators in variable name is also incorrect, and you will get an error. As you can see that I've written these lines between 2 slashes and 2 asterisks. This is another way of writing comments. Everything between these will also not be executed. I will run the code again to show you. If you have any questions or requests, kindly direct them to the comment section. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.